without returning by former champion by Grandmaster in China, Ding Liren here. So it means so last of this one with year of 2024. So FIDE World Champion Singapore 2024. So without beat with Grandmaster Gukesh D and Ding Liren. So after the match of round number 14, so it means Ding Liren was lost here. So this is a severe fatigue. And also look at this one, the base of this research here. So declines form and several times trouble here. So it means Ding Liren was officially dropped by feeding rankings before match even began because Ding Liren was lost to win against with Grandmaster Gukesh here. So it means without finals here with team of Dragon Chilling by Ding Liren here. So without faces by this one by Grandmaster from the team of Endgame AI by Grandmaster USA is Hans Mok Niman here. So this is a bit of this one with also the finale of this one with match 1. Okay, so the next up, match 2, with also first women champion by Grandmaster China, Zhu and Jun by faces by number 2 by Grandmaster, by Team Endgames AI by Grandmaster China, Zhu Junior. So 2 games analyzed here, so it means, match 1, what do you think about the brilliant move with sacrifice? So it means, this is a double rooks and queens here. So what do you think about the best positional games here? So let's proceed of this next with play chess here. White pieces by the team of Endgame AI here by Grandmaster in USA is Hans Mokniman, and also with the battle versus by black pieces by team of Dragon Chilling by Grandmaster in China, Ding Liren. So it means with Ding Liren's return today with the year of 2026. So it means last 2024 this year. So it means after loss of this one with Ding Liren's after 14 rounds. So it means he dropped down against with FIDE World Champion. So it means Ding Liren was rest of this wall here. So it means match 1 here between with 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment with time clocks here with the blitz chess here. So it means two games analyzed here. So after match 1, so next proceed by match 2 later on by first women world champion versus number 2 by this one by with women's editions here. So in this part of these videos here, in these finals here, and also have a analyze of the standings. So good luck here by team of Endgame AI versus team of Dragon Chilling with match 1 here. So white plays Hans Mok is e4, e5 Ding, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6, d3, and with the chooses bishop e7, it is called by Italian Games 2 Knights Modern Bishop's Opening. So it means, this is the bishop here. So this is a no commons here. So without no commons by diagonals by dark square here. So without main lines here, so this is a openings by Yoko Piano. So Yoko Piano's variation is bishop to c5 here. So without openings by book lines. So it means with chooses by Ding is decided by this one by bishop e7 to control that. So why bishop e7? Because the upcoming by next casting king side here. And also with Hans Mok is knight c3 here, casting king side by Ding, and also pawn e3. So white pawn a3 with move controls by black knights with idea to knight a5, threatening the bishop, and with a secure by this one with backwards against light square with diagonals here. And also pawn d6 to expose by supported by this one by Ding here, and also bishop e3 develops here, and also bishop e6. So this is a controls because this is a light square against with challenge by attacks this one by bishop to bishop here. So this is a very controls by this one without more of this one with positional move against with same bishop. And also with semi-close with shield with more powerful by Hans Mok is knight d5 here. So without explain here, so if your bishop captured here, so this is the example. So if you bishop captured because this is a captured by, look at see of this one. So this is a very Agnes weak pawn structure. Or maybe without idea to move side here by next of pawn d5 here with black pawns. So it means with idea here, so this is a rooks with idea to rook controls f files here with rook f files. So this is a making by ideas by work job by rooks here. So without example, without knight h5, knight f4, so it means next of this one queen e8 and queen g6, so protective to making by this one by work chop against with also without pieces here with black pieces here. So with that idea by hand smoke here, with that decided by semi shield by this one by knight d5 to shield against with more powerful here. And also queen d7 to protect here. So with that decided by bishop against with behind the queens here. And also bishop p3 by hand smoke. So what's the plans? Or maybe by this one by next of c4. So this is a c4 I used by controls by arrows. So with that forgot something. So this is a more of this one with c4 to against with defense by develops the knights here. And also bishop backwards d8 to backwards here. So this is a backwards. So backwards here with bishop to d8 to expose here. So this is a support against with backwards here by Ding Liren. And also pawn c4. So this is a pawn c4 to continue with the valves here. So this is a provides here by against with controls here. And also knight g4 here. So with that knight g4 by strong powerful against Ding Liren. So with that idea here, so it means, so if you more of this one with more of this knight e7 with knight e7 to next of this one with pawn c6. So it means if you knight captured here. So this is a decided by this one with openings by kings. So this is provides by kings openings by decided by ugliness pawn structure here. Or maybe here. So it means if you bishop captured here, so it means this is a very ugliness here with pawn structure here. So it means so do not capture knight captured here. So this is a capture. So this is a double. So double attacks here. So do not captured by this one. Need focusing by this one by chess here. So with that idea here to decided by with Ding Liren is knight g4 to provide here against ignorance here. And also castling to provide here to supported with controls by rook f to making by job by rooks here against with hand smoke here. And also knight takes captured e3 with threatening the queens and rooks. So this is a provides by double attacks here. And also capture this pawn. So it means with that captured here, so this is a ugliness pawn structure with a decided here. So this is a dark square against f4 to making by controls by rook f5. So rook f5 here. So with that making by this one to create with job against the situations here. And also knight e7 by Ding. So what ideas with plans here? With the idea by next of without here with c6, because this is a provides here by knight here. So knight to e7 to idea to more of this one with focusing against with Ding Liren here. So maybe by this one by c6 is a threatening the knights here to provide here. So this is a tempos attacks the targets here. And also d4 by hand smoke with attacks the pawns. And also knight g6 by Ding. And also knight c3 to with prevents here. So no more by this one with c6. So this is a next by this one with connected by this one strong powerful here with pawn d5 here. So with that knight to c3 backwards. So this is a new move. Novelty by Hans Smoke Niemann. So with that idea, so with the old main lines here by playing chess.com, pawn h3 is a old main lines here. So with that also with that knight c3 new move against with Hans Smoke here. And also queen e7. So it means for example, so if you backwards here with bishop to d7 to making by strong powerful with white pawns against with pawn d5. So I use by creating by arrow, so symbolize here. So never forget by this one to idea by focusing here. And also king h1 proxy active move by this one with kings with Hans Smoke here. And also c6 by Ding Liren to controls with support against with development by this one with bad pawns. And also queen d3 by Hans Smoke. With queen d3, same by this one by 2 between with rooks here. So 2 rooks here, so provides here. So this is creating by this one with jobs here. And also bishop b6 controls against with Ding Liren here. Rook ad1 controls by rook d files here. And also rook ad8 to pins against that. So targets by controls by this below rook d file. So provides here, so this is a more of this one to connected by this one with black pieces here. And also d5, very powerful by this one with threatening the disturbance the bishop. To tempos attacks here, to idea to attacks this one with pawns here. More creating by this one to situation. And also bishop backwards c8 with backwards here. So this is a given worst move here. So with that best move, this one with idea to better move is bishop to g4 pin against that with rooks here. So this is a goods for slightly better for blacks here. So provides here. So this is a more connected by this one with blacks here. So with that back there, this one with bishop c8 without also without problems by this one with evaluation bar here. So without below or below average here. So without backwards here with idea to chooses by ding here. Capture this pawn with hand smoke, captured by ding, and also bishop a4 by hand smoke. To plannings here with idea to threatening the free pawns against with pawns. So this is creating by this one with tempos attacks with c6 here with bishop a5 here, or maybe bishop a4. So I cannot read by this one my notes, so I cannot see that. So I'm sorry, I have problems my muscle itching. So when I sleep in this midnight here. So I cannot use by this one with pads, so very strong against that. So to realize I need to more paint, so need by rest and blankets here. So let's continue bishop a4, queen c7 here. So with the queens here, so queens defense by this one develops, and pawns with more of this one to connected this one with also rook c binds. So with a, this is a light square here by square root against solutions here. And also pawn b4 with controls here by next of this one with strong powerful by b5 to connected by threatening the pawns here. So this is a continuous against provides against supports with white pawns here. And also a6. So what the a6 here? So a6, so this is a ready by this one with pawn b5 to connected. So this is a pawn, so pawns attacks here, so two connected pass pawn here. And also bishop backwards b3 to expose here, so need by avoided by this one by hand smoke. And also h6 by ding, so without controls by this one, so no more by knight g6 to connected by pass pawn. So this is a connected here. I use by symbolized arrows here to provide here. And also knight g1 by hand smoke. So this is a more knight g1. So this is a provides here by hand smoke. So it means with that idea here. So with that, how many pawns? How many move by this one with maneuver? So it means 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 maneuver. So this is for maneuver. So this is a with next of exchange here by this one with knights here with hand smoke. And Ding Liren is bishop e6 here with controls here. And also knight ge2 by hand smoke. So knight ge2 by next of knight g3 or next knight f5. So knight f5 here. So this is a realized here against controls. So it means with movement here. So connected by maneuvers here. And also queen a7, strong powerful with exposed to support against with Ding Liren. So this is a bishop and behind the queen. So connected by threatening by free pawns here. So look at the red square. So this is a threatening the targets with alert with e3 pawns here. And also rook f3 defense by pawns here. And also with a good excelente is knight h4. Good excelente by Ding, threatening the rooks here. So this is a very dangerous here. Very rooks attacks here. And also hand smoke is rook g3 and another excelente f5. So it means without f5 by Ding Liren. So it means, so for example, if you capture this one with pawns and also knight captured here. So it means, so knight captured here. So this is a double pawns and also rooks here. So without creating by this one with situations, so this is a more provides here to idea to conclusions against attacks this one. And also knight a4, what the excelente by this one by hand smoke with threatening the bishop here to provide here. So this is a very tempos attacks here. And also more is f4. So with that f4 here, we're threatening the rook. So this is a blunderacious by Ding Liren. So the best move this one is, once computer, is king h7. So look at the evaluation bar. So very good, perfect, highest here. So according this one by computer engine here, so this is a good score, slightly better against with blacks here. So without f4 here, so look at this one. So this is a below average evaluation bar here. So with the below average evaluation bar, so with the conclusions here, so this is a non-conclusions here. So pawns threatening the rooks here. Knight takes captured here. So look at, see that the below lowest evolution bar. So it is not about Bran X but also blunderacious by Hans Mook here. So the best move this one is captured, knight captured, rook captured, knight captured bishop, queen captured knights, and also c5. So once of this computer engine here. So look at, see the highest of evaluation bar. So this is a perfect highest here. So this is a easy solutions by slightly better against with whites here. So without back there, this one is knight captured b6 by Hans Mook, and with Ding is captured by rook. So one rook down against with Hans Mook, with idea to Ding to capture this one, two pawns with rooks here, and also capture threatening the knights. Okay, the first guessing puzzle. What do you think about the returning of former champion Grandmaster Ding Liren in China? So it means finding brilliant move here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for the start, I will give you a 10 couple of seconds here. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone with the former of this one with the perfect shot is Queen e7. What a brilliant with former champion Ding Liren. So look at the evaluation bar. So this is a perfect average evaluation bar. So Queen e7 here. So this is a brilliant here. Brilliant sacrifice here. And Hans Mook is captured this knight. Queen captured with check, and also King g1. Queen f2 check again. King h1. And also Bishop g4 by Ding. With that idea here, so it means, so look at the arrows. So I'm making this creating by arrows. So it means with bishop, with threatening the knights, and we decided by double queens and rook. So this is a double attacks here. So this is provides here by supported by powerful strong move here. And also rook d2 by Hans Mook, defense by knights here. Queen h4 check by Ding, king g1. Queen e1 check by Ding, king h2 by Hans Mook, and rook f2. So this is a given bad move by Ding Liren here. So does not like of this computer engine here. So with that back there, this one. So what a miss, what brilliant here. Another brilliant. Look at see, rook f3, the rook. So it means, so Gotham Chess says, so it means rook f3, brilliant. What a miss by this one by Ding Liren here. If you captured by sacrifice here, and also queen f2 check, king h1, and mating net, matigabbing here. Another here. So it means if you cannot capture the pawn's rook, and and also move by this one knight g1. So it means knight g1 threatening the rooks here. So symbolize here. And also queen g3 check. And also king h1 here. And also rook capture pawns threatening the queens. If you queen c2, rook, queen h4 check. And also if you knight h3 here, rook e1 check. If you king h2, bishop captured here. If you capture the bishop here, and also queen f4 check here. If you king g2 here, queen f1 check here. If you king g3, rook e3 check here. If king g4 and also queen captured matigabing mating net here. So this is he provides here. So this is a goods for examples or easy slightly betters against with blacks here. So back to this one with rook f2. What a bad move by Ding. What a miss by Ding Liren. 2 miss by Brilliant. Rook f3. What a brilliant. What a miss by this one by Brilliant here by Ding Liren here. And also pawn c5 opening with check. So it means with pawn openings with bishop with check here. So this is a check. So this is a provides here. King h7 by Ding and also bishop d1. So this is a Mr. Blunderatious. so look at this one. So look at see of this one with more highest evaluation bar with blacks here and also lowest evaluation bar here. So the best move is rook d1, threatening the queens. Queen captured knights here, queen to queen. Queen captured accepted, rook captured and rook captured pawns and also rook here. Rook d2. So easy, slightly better against with whites here. Slightly better. So back to this one, what a blunderatious lowest evaluation bar by Hans Mook, bishop d1. And also without controls, the another sacrifice is bishop f3 by Ding. What a perfect by Ding Liren. Look at evaluation bar, very perfect average. So it means you cannot capture this one with bishop, so it means pin with check. So with a check here, so very dangerous here with check. And also with knight g3. So it said Hans Mook, it's okay, I move here. Never mind. Rook to rook here, accepted. It's okay, we captured here, it's okay. So very, very problems here by Hans Mook here. And with Ding is rook captured here. Queen takes captured with sacrifice, queen takes and also captured here. So it means so 3 minor pieces by Hans Mook and rooks and queens here. So almost by this one by Hans Mook 5 seconds and almost 43 seconds by Ding Liren here. Capture this pawn, takes and queen captured e3. So this is a last shot by 41 moves here with a decided by respectful here. So with a decided, so it means resigns by Team Endgame AI Hans Mook Niemann. Hi, so very, very easy wins by with returning by former champion Ding Liren. So the score by this one with Hans Mook 82.4 and 89.6 by Ding Liren it is okay by accuracy by grades here. Okay, so the next of match 2 here. So match 2 between first women champion versus number 2 here. So next proceed match 2 here. Okay, next match 2 here. So white pieces against Team Dragon Chilling by first women champion Grandmaster Zhu Wanjun in China versus the team of Endgames AI by number 2 Grandmaster China Zhu Zhuner by Team Same by China's here. So with a 3 minutes plus 2 seconds against here. So good luck here. So with Team Dragon Chilling versus Endgame AI here. So if you champion here. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after match 2. So white plays first women champion is knight f3, knight f6 by number 2, g3, b5, bishop g2 by Zhu Wanjun, next castling king side here. So the upcoming by castling king side. Bishop b7 by number 2, castling by Zhu Wanjun and also pawn e6. It is called by Reti Openings Kings Indian Attacks Paki variation. So this is a variation by openings by book here. Pawn d4 by first women champion Zhu Wanjun. c5 by number 2 Zhu, threatening the pawns. Captured, accepted, bishop captured. And also pawn b3 by Zhu Wanjun by next of with dark square bishop b2 with next move with exchange here. Castling kingside by Zhu. Bishop b2 controls by diagonal. So dark square here by diagonals with also controls here. And also pawn d6 without movement. So does not like of this computer engine by Zhu Zhuner here. So the one's computer is, with the 3 moves is pawn to d5 is a best move. So this is a easy, slightly better for blocks. So d6 by this one by Zhu, knight bd2, what a miss by worst move. Without miss, the best is queen d3. So queen d3 is a best move. So this is a creating by this one by solutions here. So this is a goods for slightly better for whites. So what the back there is knight bd2 by Zhu and Jun, knight bd7 by Zhu, and also pawn a3. So what are plans ideas or next by b3? B4, sorry. So b4. So b4 threatening the bishop, attacks this one. So next b4. So it means b4 is a exchange move here. So with that move here by next all powerful here. So b4 is a next move. a5 by Zhu. Or maybe by powerful strong b4. Because this is a movement by creating by this one with a5 here by Zhu. And also c4 attacks the pawns. Queen b6 by Zhu, and also pawn e3 by Zhu and Jun. e5, queen c2, and also rook ac8. So controls by this one by rook c files here with controls against with creating by making by this one with job. So with job by controls here. And also bishop c3 by this one by Zhu and Jun, and also b4 threatening the bishop and captured, and also bishop backwards b2. I forgot something here. So talk about novelty. Where's the novelty? Wait, where's novelty? Oh, with the novelty is pawn e5. So pawn e5 is a novelty here. So novelty by this one pawn e5 without old main lines here. So without old lines here, with recording by chess.com is rook fc8 is a movement here. So rook fc8. So rook fc8 is a master opening database by chess.com here. So this is a old main lines here. So old here. So with that new is pawn e5 new move by Zhu. So it means so not found in this bookline by pawn e5 by Zhu. Queen c2 by Zhu and Jun. Rook ac8, bishop c3, pawn b4 threatening the bishop, captured, bishop b2, and h6 with the controls here by h6 by Zhu, by no more by controls by knight to g5 with connected by this one with pawn here. And also pawn h3. So symbolized here by pawn h3. So this is a no more by this one knight g4 to maneuver here. And also bishop c6 controls by light square with bishop pairs. So look at see the bishop pairs against with diagonals. So look at see, so with the diagonals, dark square and dark square here. So this is a dark square or light square here. So with the diagonals, knight h4 by Zhu and Jun. What the plans? With the idea to next of knight f5 to next maneuver here to create by this one by solutions by this one. And also bishop captured. Wait, I forgot something. So it means let's review go backs here. So it means knight h4. So knight h4 is next by knight f5 to openings by bishop to bishop. Light square here. So that attacks this one by light square against diagonals here. So it means with Zhu, bishop captured, king takes by this one by Zhu and Jun, and also pawn d5. With idea to Zhu threatening the pawns and opening semi-close strong powerful by d4 to need by creating by attacks this pawn here. And also king h2 proc the active move by this one by Zhu and Jun, and strong e4 with a strong move here. So does not like of this computer engine by Zhu. So the best move this one is rook fd8 is a best move. So easy wins for against that, slightly better for blocks. So back to this one is e4 by this one by Zhu here, and excelente, capture this pawn, bishop captured, another bad move by Zhu. So with a team of endgame AI here. So the best move this one is knight captured 3 pawns, knight captured d5. If you knight captured pawns here, and also bishop d4. Okay, bishop d4 sacrifice. So it means bishop to bishop dark square here. So it means if you bishop captured here, bishop captured d4 threatening the queens, and also the rooks here threatening the queen, symbolized by this one by queen to queen here. So it means if you rook captured queens, bishop captured queens here, and also knight captured 7 takes b6 here. So this is a goods for slightly better against with blacks here. So with that, also bishop captured e3 by Zhu Junior, and another excelente with Zhu and Zhu, knight c4. What a excelente. With the idea threats the bishop and queens, double attacks here. And also bishop g5 here. So with an example, why don't we rook captured sacrifice the rook? So shouted Gotham chess here. Queen captured sacrifice and bishop captured pawn. So this is a goods for examples here once of this computer here. So back to this one is bishop g5 threatening the knights, knight f5 by Zhu and Jun, and also queen c5 to controls here, to develops here with idea to threatening the pawns without attacks here by this one with connected by targets. Bishop d4 threatening the queens here, queen b5 avoided. So avoided here by this one by Zhu Junior here, or maybe without rooks here, openings by challenge by controls by rook c5, pins against the queens here. Knight e7 check. Oh, knight e7 check. What the plans? Oh, check and traps the rook. Double. So this is a very doubles here. King h8 by this one by Zhu Junior. Knight captured rook 1 rook down by Zhu, because knight captured by Zhu and Jun here. And also rook captured c8, pawn d6 here, and also queen f5 without queen f5 here by Zhu Junior. So look at see the lowest evaluation bar. So with that does not like up this computer by queen f5 movement here. So the ones computer the best is king g8. King g8 is the best move. So this is a goods for slightly betters. Okay. So back to this one is queen f5 by Zhu Junior, f4 threatening the bishop, knight d5. Okay, knight d5 here. So it means without knight d5. So avoid. So warning. So do not emphasize at captured, blunder issues. Queen captured here. So it means wins against with whites. Please have mercy. Do not captured by emphasize at captured. This is a be careful by this one by dangerous by queens here. Have mercy queens please here. So back to this one, knight d5 by this one by Zhu Junior with team of endgame AI. Captured the bishop, queen takes, queen captured here. Okay. So queen captured by this one here. And also knight 7 f6 without idea threatening the queens, queen e5 challenged by queen to queen. Avoided by Zhu Junior here, queen g6. So it means if you captured by queen captured accepted here, bishop captured the queens here, king g8. So this is a more easy, more examples by slightly betters here. So it means with the idea why avoided by this one, queen g6 by this one by Zhu Junior here. And also rook a1 here to provides by queens behind the rooks. Queen c2 check. So with the problems with queens, with Zhu with check, and also with that idea attacks the targets here by pawns here. And also queen e2 to avoided by to protect with challenge queen to queen. And with that queen captured, so it means that's not one of queen captured accepted. With that explain here. Why don't we queen captured here? If we queen captured e2 check, rook captured. So this is a goods for once of this computer. So look at C evaluation bar. So this is a highest perfect shot by whites here. Okay, so almost by 45 seconds. So look at the clocks here. 45 seconds by this one by Zhu and Jun. And almost by dying second, 7 seconds. So frustrated by concentrations here. So very hard by this one by Zhugener. So what's up back there? This one is queen captured, avoided by Zhugener. Bishop captured knight. Knight takes. And also rook c1. Okay, rook c1 here. Queen a4. So look at this evaluation bar, lowest. So it is not about here, but also blunderations by Zhugener. So the best move this one, rook d8 here. Rook d8 is a best move. So this is a goods for slightly better for blacks. So after queen a4 here, so the last guessing puzzle, what do you think about the winning shot by team of Dragon Chilling by first women champion before resigns here by team Endgame AI Zhugener? Second tips for puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. I will give you a 5 seconds here, couples left. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So it means, so what a surprise here. So let's see the win of this one with team of Dragon Chilling here. And also the movement by Ju and June, look at C. Knight b6, gotcha! What a surprise, Knight b6, look at C. Queens and rooks, double attacks. Resigns by number 2 Zhugener, team of Endgame AI here. So why she resigns by Zhugener? For example, if you queen here, queen e6 only move without queen to queen. Gotcha! Boom! So it means check pins. So cannot move by queen. So cannot move by this one by queen here. So it means this is a pins against with check. So it means end of this battle, game over. What happened by you? I thought winning shot by this one by number 2 here. Okay, with a score of team of Dragon Chilling 5 points here, 5 points, and team of Endgame AI 1 point. So congratulations by championship by team of Dragon Chilling here. So congratulations of this one with also with trophies here. Okay, so let's see of this one with final results here with the standings after the knockout blitz here. Okay, with that finals here with a score of 4 points by Dragon Chilling and 0 by Endgame AI. So it means, so without gold medals, Dragon Chilling is a team, and silver medals by Endgame AI. And with Battle of Third here, so it means, so 4 points bronze medal with Team Uzbekistan, and also 4th placer by Hexamin Chess team here. Okay, so look at see the picture. So congratulations by this one by team of Dragon Chilling here. So congratulations by this one here. So I hope the trophies here so will be home soon by this one by champion. Okay, so the next of this one by I choose of this one with games here by Woman FIDE Master Adhara by Spain here. So I will choose of this one with best games here. And also with the next of Tagalogs here with International Master Merryword Cameli De Nova versus International Master Meow Meow. And next of Narodisky here. So I choose of this game between with Andrea Botes with Canada versus Dina Belenkaya from France here. So I will update by analyze here soon. And don't forget by this one by game number 5 by Chess Face to Face here with 2026 between Preston versus me. So I will update here by playing chess here by next week. Okay, so I hope for this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17 aka IcoMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.